Do you ever wish that you could change the timbre of a voice, make it sound a little bit younger, or maybe a little bit older, or make it sound like maybe the singer has smoked too many cigarettes, maybe inhaled a little bit of helium? I've got a tool with Melodyne that I feel gets overlooked in a lot of tutorials, and it's the Formant Tool. And I'm going to jump right into this and play a bit of this vocal. And this is just a scratch just a scratch vocal and track that we're working on. So it's not fully produced or anything, but just pay attention to the vocal here.
Wait, you're playing all these games that knock like I don't know where you're going. Well, I can call you out, just pull me closer. The music's playing loud.
So this singer's got a really cool timbre to her voice already, and she's kind of got this, like, I feel like a low end kind of grittiness to her voice, which is really cool. So normally I wouldn't use this on her voice unless I was going for something that was really interesting and different, which is what I'm going to try and do in this pre-chorus section right here. So this busier section that happens right here.
Where you going? Well, I can call you out.
I'm going to pull up the Formant tool, which is this little tab right here. And I've already highlighted, actually I'm going to go back and make sure that I highlight just the section that I want here. There we go. Then I'm going to go up to this little button right here, and that's the Formant tool. And all you've got to do is just hover over it, click, and then drag up or down. And I'm gonna put it back, and I'm gonna manipulate it as it's playing so you can hear what it does.
Where you going? Well, I can call you out. Just pull me closer. The music's playing loud. So where you going? No need for running out. You're not my lover, but we know what's going down. You know the. Where you going? Well, I can call you out. Just pull me closer. The music's playing loud. So where you going? No need for running out. You're not my lover, but we know what's going down.
So I'm sure you've heard this kind of voice manipulation a lot in pop songs. Especially they'll do it on the echoes of phrases. So they'll have a phrase like in the normal vocal timbre, and then they'll have it like echo with the formant kind of way up or way down. It's a really cool technique. And I feel like if you go extreme, it can sound like you've got helium in your voice, or the other way. But what I've liked to do when I'm not trying to go for something extreme is just manipulate it just a little bit, especially like if you've got a voice that sounds a little bit younger and you want it to sound more mature, or vice versa. You've got a voice that sounds a little bit too mature, too old, and you want to bring some youthful elements back. I just bring the formant up just a little bit, and you can make it sound like a more youthful voice. So listen here. So this is going to start regular, non-affected.
Where you going? Well, I can call you out. Just pull me closer. The music's playing loud. So where you going? No need for running out. You're not my lover, but we know what's going down.
So, I would find the sweet spot in there, but you can get just a little bit of more youthful sound in there. And then here, if I wanted to make her sound a little bit more mature, she's already got a low end kind of grit, like I said, to her voice. So this might not illustrate it the best, but you can bring it down.
Where you going? Well, I can call you out. Just pull me closer. The music's playing loud. So where you going? No need for running out.
Yeah, so those are the ways that I like to play around with this Formant tool. Experiment, see what you can do with it.